Hi, third graders. In today's reading mini lesson, we discussed writing a summary. A summary includes the title and author of the book. It gives only the most important information and ideas, not every single detail. It includes the author's message or big idea. It gives information in the same order as the book, and it's short. And as a class, you probably wrote a summary of the book Ape. So for your independent reading time today, I want you to finish up a nonfiction story that you have been reading, or get a nonfiction story that you have already read, and I want you to write a summary about that nonfiction story. Remember all of these points over here that we just discussed that a summary should include, and include those things in your summary. You should have at least 4 to 5 sentences or more when you're finished. Be sure to check for capital letters, punctuation, and spelling errors as well. Make sure you submit this or turn it into your teacher when you're finished.